Nice, interesting. So tell me, like, why have you stayed up for 72 hours in a row?
Man, it's been a whole lot. A lot of it stems from the recent events, the state of affairs in our nation. I just feel like a lot of the stuff I've been seeing on social media has been draining me of my energy. I've had to speak out on a lot of this as a black man in America. I've given my stances on police brutality, racism, the government, et cetera, on my page. But it's also just been because I've been so focused on trying to figure out how to build my brand around Dracula. And I have been, really trying to not only build my brand, but connect with my fans on a personal level. So I kind of took a page from your book actually, and I
Oh,
started a Discord server.
oh, nice.
So yeah, because I saw you like do that in the group chat, and I was like, huh. And I've always been on Discord because I play games. Um,
Mm,
and yeah, I started a small little server, Castlevania. We got like 20 people in that bitch now. And
nice.
you know what I'm saying? We got a lot of
What's like the
engagement going
purpose of
on.
the channel?
So the purpose of the channel is to get feedback for your music and give feedback to other artists so that there's a point system. So basically, you have to post and give feedback. You have to post in order to get a point, but you also have to give feedback in order to get a point. So 5 points to rank up. Everyone starts off as a vampire. So basically, everyone comes in the server. Everybody introduces each other, where you from, blah blah blah. We're looking specifically for visual artists, beat makers, uh, music artists, graphic designers, animated artists, like anything under the realm of art. And um, everyone posts their links in the self promotion chat. They get feedback and they have to respond to every other person at least once. So the more you rank up, the more links you can drop. So basically, the idea is like the incentive is like the more you post and the more you respond, the more you get to post as well. So everyone gets a chance to have their voice heard. Everyone gets constructive feedback. It's only been out for 2 days, but we have 20 people so far, and I think I'm going to cut it off at like 30 because realistically, I want like 10 to 15 active members so that we can keep it tight, keep the circle small. And yeah, it's just, we're trying to strive for growth together as a community because I feel like too often, what I'm saying, you go on Instagram, you see people post music and stuff, and you don't really engage. Like you might comment, but you're not really engaging with their material, with their content. So the whole purpose is, you get not just constructive feedback, but advice like, oh, this sounds good. I think you could work on this. Like I posted a link and then, my friend was like, oh yeah, I think you should add a little bit more reverb right there. And I was like, all right, cool. Let me go check that out. And then it sounded
Hmm.
better.
That's
So
cool.
yeah, you just, you give and you get, is like the whole purpose of the Discord.
Nice. So, you made a Discord. It's called Transylvania, Castlevania.
Castlevania,
Nice.
yeah.
I think that's a game on Nintendo 64.
Yeah,
Are
it
you
is, it
familiar? You
is.
play that game?
No, but my dad was a really big Nintendo guy growing up, so he had like all the games, and I remember seeing that one in the bucket.
Oh,
So
okay. Yeah,
mm,
Castlevania. That's a dope game. It's like you're like in a graveyard and you have like a whip and it's like magic and you got to go and you like kill zombies and stuff and I don't know. It's a fun game. It used
mm,
to give me like nightmares when I would play because I would play when I was like really young. and I was too scared to play it for a long time. But anyway, so you made the Discord and it's called Castlevania, and you have about 20 people in there, and then you've like devised like the system within Discord where people get points for posting a link to their music, but they can only share one link to their music. And in order to share more links, what they have to do is comment on other people's music that they have shared. That way that people that are posting links have already like shared feedback to other people.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, cool.